Hey guys, today I'm vlogging and we're at my son's soccer game, and after this we're going to Harvest Fest. It's been a crazy day. My son forgot his jersey and we had to drive all the way to Oak Creek and then back to West Dallas and then all the way back over here for his game. So we were like 30 minutes late. And it's so hot out today.
Hey y'all, I'm recording too.
Show me your phone. Ooh, she got an iPhone. So then we're going to the state fair. We're going to Harvest Fest with my mom, my grandma, my brother, and the kids. So I'll vlog. So Vlogtober, week 1.
Hey guys. Today
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty, No Uber ride at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I did too much, I did too much. Let's get all y'all, yeah, I need all y'all. I feel like I did too much, I did too much. Let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much, I feel like I did too much.
Are you having fun?
yes.
Get out the camera.
She's got to sit already.
Bro,
I'm gonna go sit with her.
we been.
Sandra, we'll be over there. So it's easy for you to find when you come out.
Where?
Like over here.
By this bar?
This bar area.
Okay. Come on,
Y'all
guys.
have fun, alright?
Keep an eye on my mom. Hey guys, we're at the state fair and we're having so much fun. We're at Harvest Fest and we're having so much fun. And I got my hair done.
Give them a twirl. Okay.
Did I get it?
Okay. There's enough twirl. You mad because she pushed you? Say you're sorry. Give him a hug. And Pinky, promise you're not going to do it again. Oh. in my mind. Yeah, in my mind. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my mind. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need a I need to free my mind now. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. On a scale from 1 to 10, how good is it?
Remember, I'm riding with you, so you better.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
I give like a 9 out of 10.
A what?
11?
A 9 out of 10.
Or 9 out of 10?
What's yours? 9 out of 10.
A 10.
Yours?
Solid 8.
8.
Solid 8.
Tastes fine. I think mine's stronger than yours. I told him to put more in it.
I got a strawberry daiquiri and I would give it. It's sweet though, but you can't taste any liquor. So I would say like a 9 out of 10. These are pretty good. $12 for one though.
Could
tall you are compared to me.
I'm short for a guy.
I'm short for everything. Shit, then what the fuck am I?
Almost the same size.
Almost like you and your brother.
Go back to back.
No, we're not going back to back.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Manage, yeah. Oh, be with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, know you could do damage, you could do damage, you do damage, yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, you're doing this just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. Going on. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm with more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you'll fall with me. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me. Oh, giving me signs. Promise that you won't let me fall.
The Bears.
Loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, know you could do damage, you
Better than Lulu's.
What's Lolo's?
Like Las Vegas.
No. Let me see. Is it so good?
Yeah. It's a butter bus.
All got boxes and Baja Blast and fries. You want to say something? Hey, my kids just want to say that they enjoyed the food so much and they just want to say thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you. The popos are out tonight.
Wait.
You
Wait.
don't have to.
Okay, go ahead.
You don't have to respect me at all. You don't have to respect me at all. You don't have to respect me at all. Because the popos are out tonight. And they don't have to respect us at all. Because as a matter of fact, they don't have to do anything because they're just mean police.
Ooh, period.
And
What you call them? What do you call them?
The popos, because those popos, they don't need to be doing anything with us. We're just normal people.
Okay. Okay, so we went to the Harvest Fest and we ate Taco Bell. I bought my son and his other siblings some ice cream from McDonald's, so like they won't feel completely left out. And I just got this package from Amazon. I don't even remember what I ordered, so I figured I would do an unboxing with y'all, part of my weekly vlog and Vlogtober. Let's see what we got. It's a package. You can sing it. It's a package. It's a package. It's a package. So I ordered from Amazon so much, y'all, and like during the pandemic, I ordered so much from the pandemic. My daughter watched this little girl, and she had a song where she was like, "It's a package. It's a package."
It's Coco.
Oh, Coco. It's Coco. Okay, so Aaliyah's Face talked about these earrings, and they're Bottega dupes, and I got 2 pair for like, yeah, you could pop them. Not right now. Wait till I'm done with the video. I'm gonna try to open it. I got 2 pair for $16.99. I'm gonna link this on my Amazon storefront, but they are so freaking cute. And the real ones, the Bottega ones, are not even real gold or silver. So like, see those ones? They're so cute. So cute. I'm trying to like up my style. So the earrings, and then this bag is another dupe. Y'all know I love an Amazon dupe, y'all. So I believe this is a dupe for the Dior bag. Again, Aaliyah's face had the Dior bag, and I saw it, and it was so cute. And I'm not about to pay them Dior prices, auntie. So, yeah, I got this. She's so cute. So it actually is for some content I'm gonna be creating. I have an outfit that's like on the way with some silver boots like this. I'm gonna do the silver earrings, and this bag is so cute. So pretty, isn't it? Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, and like she's spacious and everything. Love it. It's so cute. Oh, and it comes with this strap. And what else? And it comes with this little charm right here. It's so cute though, but yeah. So I didn't know that the trimming on here was gold, but that's okay. I guess I could mix metals, but she's so cute. I'm going to link this bag also on my Amazon storefront. I am going to link the bag and the earrings in my Amazon storefront. This is such a cute bag, you guys. Oh my god, like the detail. The details are
like so silver and like so pretty.
So cute. That. And it's just like a really cute bag. So cute. And it goes perfect with the earrings. So cute. I mean, you could really wear either one. That's cute. Okay, Kaylani, would you like to say something to the camera?
Hey guys, we at Harvest Fest, it was so fun.
Anything else?
And and it's so pretty. My mom is gonna do a couple of videos, and she's gonna show more stuff that she has.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. Peace.